Hello everybody! Today I will be talking about 4 diseases that affect one of the most important body systems in a human body, the respiratory system. The respiratory system is the group of tissues and organs in your body that enable you to breathe. The respiratory system's primary function is to supply oxygen to all the parts of your body. It accomplishes this through breathing, inhaling oxygen-rich air, and exhaling air filled with carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas. The respiratory system is made up of airways such as the nose, mouth, voice box, windpipe, and bronchial tubes, and made up of the lungs and the muscles and blood vessels connected to them. This is how the respiratory system works. First, one breathes air in through the nose and mouth, which wet and warm the air so it won't irritate the lungs. Then the air travels through the voice box, down through the windpipe, and then through the bronchial tubes into the lungs. Cilia in the airways capture foreign particles and germs to filter the air that one breathes. A person then coughs or sneezes the particles out of the body. The diaphragm, abdominal muscles, and other muscles help the lungs expand and contract so one can inhale and exhale. When one inhales, the air goes through the bronchi in the lungs to blood vessels that connect to veins and arteries. These veins and arteries carry blood throughout the body. When one exhales, the carbon dioxide goes up the same way, exiting the body through the nose and mouth. If one can't breathe or can't breathe well, not only will the body not receive enough oxygen to keep it running, but it will also be poisoned by the carbon dioxide that is building up in the blood and has nowhere to go. The 4 diseases this video is about are asthma, lung cancer, emphysema, and laryngitis. Let's start with asthma. Asthma is a disease affecting the airways that carry air to and from the lungs. People who suffer from this chronic condition are said to be asthmatic. The inside walls of the asthmatic's airways are swollen or inflamed. This swelling or inflammation makes the airways extremely sensitive to irritations and increase the susceptibility to an allergic reaction. As inflammation causes the airways to become narrower, less air can pass through them, both to and from the lungs. Symptoms of the narrowing includes wheezing, a hissed sound while breathing, chest tightness, breathing problems, and coughing. Asthmatics usually experience those symptoms most frequently during the nights and the early mornings. Some causes of asthma are allergies and cold. The second disease is lung cancer. Lung cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells that start off in one or both lungs, usually in the cells that line the air passages. The abnormal cells do not develop into healthy lung tissue. They divide rapidly and form tumors. As tumors become larger and more numerous, they undermine the lung's ability to provide the bloodstream with oxygen. The main cause of it is smoking. A sad fact about it that 1,370,000 deaths occur due to the lung cancer. The third one is emphysema. Emphysema is a lung condition in which tiny air sacs in the lungs fill up with air. As the air continues to build up in these sacs, they expand and may break or become damaged and form scar tissue. The patient becomes progressively short of breath. Emphysema is a type of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The main cause of emphysema is a long-term regular smoking. The last disease I'm going to talk about is laryngitis. Laryngitis is inflammation of the mucous membrane of the larynx, characterized by voice hoarseness. The larynx is located in the throat and houses the voice box and protects the trachea or airway. Inflammation causes a narrowing of the upper airways, which leads to a hoarseness of voice, or in some circumstances, aphonia, a complete loss of voice. Laryngitis that lasts less than 3 weeks is referred to as acute laryngitis and is often associated with an upper respiratory infection due to a virus, or more rarely bacteria. Infection is the most common cause of acute laryngitis. Also, cigarette smoke and alcohol misuse cause that.